Hello everyone. Good morning. Here to make a short class video for you for the week of August 19th through August 21st, our 3-day week. Let's start by going over the schedule. As you can see here, we had no class on Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday, you're just working on the DNC 2020 viewing tracker. And finally on Friday, we will be meeting together for a Zoom class where we have some discussion on the assignment you completed on Wednesday and Thursday. So note that for Wednesday and Thursday, there will be no Zoom class. You should complete the assigned work on your own time. We will have a Zoom class on Friday, okay? 2 other exciting announcements from this week. We do have the movie night schedule up and posted, which you can check the page and calendar for further details. Let's do that right now. It looks like the very first movie night is actually this Friday, the 21st. We'll be watching the film 13th by filmmaker Ava DuVernay. If you have seen it, now's a great time to rewatch it. If you have not seen it, you absolutely need to. Movie night will begin at 7 p.m. There's also a discussion to follow the film for 15-30 minutes or so, where we'll talk about what we just watched. And if you attend the film and the discussion, it is extra credit. So I do hope that everybody takes advantage of that opportunity and comes out. I also wanted to invite everyone to join us on the Middle College Discord server. We're going to be inviting the juniors to join as well, all the teachers, some alumni, and this is meant to basically recreate the environment of the Middle College Lounge on campus that we don't have anymore. This is a spot for folks to just hang out. You can be in a study group, work on stuff together, or you could just chill, socialize, do your own thing. So please go ahead if you're interested and join the Discord as well. It is optional, but it's a community space for you all to use. So moving on, today we had our first current event forum discussions posted by our first groups of students. That was Maria and Bianca and Andrea and Grecia. And remember that what you're asked to do as a student each week is to actually leave a comment on the current event forum discussions that get posted. So basically, you want to look at the one that was posted from your class. So folks from the one class would comment on theirs, folks on the other class would comment on theirs, and you leave a comment that's 3+ sentences in length responding to discussion questions posed by the assignment. So just for example, let's say I was a student in Maria's class, okay? I would go ahead and open up her link here, right? I could check out the sources she used, read through her analysis, look at her discussion questions, as well as the linked visual aid, right? Which is a great way to learn the information in her presentation, along with reading the analysis, okay? And then I went ahead and typed in my response to one of the discussion questions on her page as an example of what that might look like when you do it as well, right? So don't forget for everyone today to go ahead and make comments by Friday is when they're due, but ASAP, you want to make comments on the current event forums that get posted every Wednesday, okay? Finally, I'm going to talk about the assignment for this week, but before I do, I just wanted to go over a couple other important announcements that were posted about due dates and adaptations, right? So first thing is that missing a due date or deadline for an assignment will not impact your grade as long as you work with me to turn in that assignment eventually, right? So basically, I know that we're all in the middle of a pandemic right now, and surviving that looks different for everybody, and different people have different levels of access to Wi-Fi and technology. And so I am making a commitment this semester to be as flexible with everybody as possible when it comes to the schoolwork for this class, okay? So what that means is if you can't hit a deadline, that's okay. Just let me know. We'll make a plan. We'll work on it together. We'll get you to turn in the assignment. And as long as you're communicating with me, putting in the effort, it's not going to impact your grade, okay? But you do need to follow these steps on here. Contact me within 1 day after the deadline if possible, so we can start that communication process and working on that together. We also have adaptations, which means that, if the way the assignment is written, if that is a little too easy for you, or maybe it's a little too difficult for you, let's talk about it. We'll change the assignment up to make it more accessible or interesting for you. Okay? Please review the submission guidelines as well to make it as easy as possible for me to view your work. All right, last thing for the update video today is talking about the DNC assignment that you'll be working on today and tomorrow, and which we'll be discussing on Zoom together on Friday. So the DNC actually started back on Monday. It's been ongoing. There's been speakers at night during the convention program on primetime TV, but during the day they're having a series of caucus and council meetings. And your job is going to be to go into those meetings, right, and watch about 50 minutes of total content per day. That's our class time you'll be spending watching the DNC. Now, you can break that up across 3 different committees for about 15 minutes per committee, or you could just spend the whole time in one committee if you want. But either way, what you're going to need to do is pick the committees you want to attend on the schedule, open up the links on the live stream access, and fill in your tracker to complete the work. And very important point here, number 4, we are doing daily attendance for this class, so you're going to want to submit the first part of your tracker, the first page that you worked on, submit that today, and then the second page you'll complete tomorrow, and then resubmit the assignment so both pages are filled in, right? And if you just can't get enough DNC, again, it is on during the night as well. If you're curious to learn more about the Democratic Party and their platform upcoming to the next election, or maybe see performers like Billie Eilish and others, do check that out tonight. Okay, everyone. So that is that. We've gone over the class schedule, talked about current events, talked about the movie night in Discord, talked about the assignment you're doing this week. Okay, looking forward to seeing all that work from everybody, and working with you to be successful this week and in all of our future weeks. Okay, do continue to message me on Canvas or use the course discussion board if you'd like to ask any more questions or discuss any of this in more detail. I will be available throughout the rest of the day for appointments if you'd like to schedule a call with me individually, okay? Or with a group, that's fine too. All right, that's that. Have a great day, everyone. See you later. Bye.